Thank you all so much for coming out tonight. Oh, my mama, she gave me these feathered breasts. Oh, my mama, she told me, use your voice, my little bird. She said, sing, 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 sing melodies. And she sang, 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 sang melodies. Oh, my mama, she did give me fancy feet out we're dancing on, and I'll tap, tap, tap my toes into those clicking floorboards. Oh, my mama, she took my little hand and held on tight. All the mamas give the waters of their wells. All the mamas give the babies this very dirt we're walking on. Oh, my mama, she gave me these feathered breasts, and your mama, oh, she gave me these feathered breasts too. And when the sky drops all those feathers, when the birds sing in the morning, I'll be a mama, I'll have a daughter. I'll be a mama, I'll have a daughter. And I'll give her melodies, I'll give her melodies. 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 She'll be my little bird, then she'll fly, she'll fly, she'll fly.